Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished up a JBI suspension Pro Shock Revalve from a 2023 Honda CRF450R. This isn't the standard JBI suspension shock revalve. We call this our Pro Showa shock revalve. Reason being, you can see that the stock shock shaft assembly has totally been replaced. This is the stock shock assembly or shock shaft assembly from a 2023 Honda CRF450R, the regular motocross model, not the Works Edition. And what this shock now features is an 18mm shock shaft instead of the stock 16mm, black anodized bumper cup, a JBI suspension black bumper, which is this piece right here. Also a black anodized shock body stop cap, and of course JBI suspension motocross spec valving on the inside. The reason this is a popular package is because this 18mm shock shaft pushes more oil volume through your compression adjuster right here. So it makes your adjuster much more effective for the clickers and also its operation, meaning how much compression resistance it has. You can't get the same performance using the 16mm shock shaft because it is not pushing the same amount of volume of oil through the adjuster. This shock is going to be paired with our JBI Showa Pro Fork spec as well, which we will detail in another video. This kit is also available as a DIY do-it-yourself kit, meaning you can buy this shock shaft assembly from us and you tell us the type of riding that you do and the exact year model CRF you have. So it is available for the CRF450R, CRF450X, the CRF450R, RX, our L model, pretty much all the CRF models ranging from 2017 to current. So again, you can send in your shock and we'll build it to this spec, or you can also buy that from us as a DIY kit, and we're going to valve and shim it according to your specific needs, and then send the shock assembly, which will look similar to this, but again, be all blacked out with 18mm shock. We'll send you that shock assembly to you for you to install yourself. Ideally, you'd want to pair it with our JBI Suspension Pro Fork setting as well, and that is also available as a DIY kit too, which you can read all about on ridejbi.com. All JBI services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. If you're interested in having Ride JBI build some custom JBI suspension for you, please give us a call at the shop or send us an email. All right, you guys, thank you for watching.